Hey guys, Jason again from JJ Scale Modeling. Recently I was going through my stash, rearranging, and I have quite a few vintage kits in my stash, both aircraft and car models, and I came across a few kits that I think I'm going to just build straight out of the box. And one of them is this 1/48 scale Curtis p-40E Warhawk from arii. Now this kit was originally, as far as I know, was newly tooled back in 1974 from Otaki, and it's gone through several manufacturers. I think I know AMT had the molds, and I think they had the molds for quite a while. First it was Otaki, and now it was arii. This was a 1991 boxing of the same kit, and I think then it went to AMT. And I know Airfix had it for a short time, and then I think just recently, I think in 2019, arii has this kit. So if you look at the P40 kit at arii, it's this mold, if I'm not mistaken. But let's see what's in the kit. These are actually pretty nice kits for back in the day. I think these were right up there with Tamiya, almost rivaled Tamiya as far as detail was concerned. Well, let's take a look at the kit and see what's in the box. I think this is going to be a project coming up here in the near future. But there's the decal sheet. As you can see, the white on the decals is yellowed pretty bad. I might take and tape this up to the window and see if I can bleach that white, or I can get some of these stars, and then actually I think I have a set in my stash, decal stash, and then I can just paint these white lines on. But the tiger head actually looks pretty good, and the U.S. Army is not, any of the decal film is not yellowed around it too much at all. It'll probably be hidden. I don't think it's really all that bad at all, but we'll see how that goes. But in these kits, you also got a full color print, which I thought was really neat. It's too bad they didn't give you the decals for this one either, but they only give you the decals for the one aircraft on the box. Pretty simplistic decal sheet that they give you, and it's just about all in Japanese. But you can still make out what's going on. Well, it's like I said, it's pretty simplistic. The cool thing about this P40 kit, though, I think, is that it has an engine. Although it's pretty sparse on detail, but if you wanted to detail it up, I think you could do a little bit, but it's going to be covered up anyway, unless you want to leave those. There's some side panels on the cowling that around the exhaust that you have to put on, but like I said, I probably just cover it up. But not too many parts at all. Very, simplistic parts count, very low parts count. see, it shows here that that there was three different decal sheets, but I don't think that there was supposed to be any more in there, but but the one that I had gotten, I had gotten this kit off of eBay a while ago, and as I opened up the box, the gentleman that I bought it from actually had in the box Canopy masking kit. And this contains 2 complete sets, and they were from Easy Masks. Now, I don't know if they're still in business or not. I heard about them years ago, but I'm not sure if they're still in business or not. But I thought that was a nice surprise when I opened up the box. So let's take a look at the parts here. First of all, here's the Canopy parts. They're kind of cloudy. They're not the greatest. I think they can be polished out, or I'm going to try to polish them out anyhow. But the Canopy framing is pretty thick on them, so even if you didn't have a masking kit, it'd be extremely easy to mask this Canopy. But it's really not all that bad. Like I say, I think I can. I'm going to try to polish it out and see what we come up with. Okay, here's parts tree C. Again, you can look at that. You see that molded in detail. Those recessed panel lines and rivets. Really nice for, like I said, the original mold being in 1974. I think it's a really cool kit for back in the day. So it's instrument panel's a bit basic, but not a big deal. It's not going to have an open canopy anyhow, so but yeah, a little bit of flash here and there, not much, like right here. Those are your exhausts, and there's some flash around the gun sight, but not a big deal. Okay. Here's your A sprue. Again, there's like I said, really nice engraving on the cowling panels. There's your engine halves. Again, kind of sparse on the top of the engine between the valve covers, but again, you're really not going to see it. So but not bad. It's really nice on the fuselage. Again, like I said, a little bit of flash here and there. There's some pretty good chunks right there, but like again, no big deal. There's your wings. Again, really nice rivet detail. Nice engraved panel lines. Real sparse on the landing gear bay, but what do you expect for 1974 original mold? You could fix that up with a little bit of evergreen strip if you needed to, or if you wanted to. Like I said, this is just going to be built straight from the box. I might make some seat belts for it or something, but other than that, it's going to be straight from the box. And like I said, we'll either use those decals or we'll I'll try to find some aftermarkets. But there you have it. The 1/48 scale arii p-40 warhawk. Look for an upcoming build video with this, and we'll see you again soon. Until then, bye.